Wow, David, what do we have here?
It's a great question. What we have here is probably the coolest thing we've seen in a long, long time. This is the ultimate retro gaming machine you'll ever find. This literally comes with hundreds of retro games on all your favorite platforms, all the way from the Atari 2600 up to the NES. Just Donkey Kong alone probably has 20 different versions of the Donkey Kong game. So whether you're playing Pac-Man, Donkey Kong, Street Fighter, Asteroids, Galaga, any of the classic games, and some of the modern games too. This is an amazing thing. You really need to come see it to really appreciate it. So come and see us at Experamax for the ultimate in retro gaming.
Where is Experamax, West Houston?
We're on the Katy Freeway between Bunker Hill and Gessner, across from Memorial City Mall. Come and see us.